Hello, everyone. I am really sorry for any confusion. I just had time to clarify something to you. So, first thing that you have to know is we are not going to have oral tests in week 10 or 11, but we are going to have it in week 12. So, we're going to stick with the rubric. Okay. And then the second one is I mentioned to some classes that you guys are going to get a partner, you guys are going to read a dialogue. We're going to cancel on that because in week 12, you guys are going to receive an article, and then you guys can try to read the article by yourself, because I think it will be easier for you to read an article by yourself, because getting a partner, you don't know them, right? So it's going to be a bit difficult for you to practice. So let's just stick to an article instead. So you're going to do this by yourself, single, solo. All right, so I'm going to share with you the articles that I've already uploaded on Padlet last week. So you can have a look on this one, okay? This website. And then let's go to this assignment and exam section. Then you guys can click on the article. Here I've provided to you three articles. What I need you guys to do is you will need to read this instruction next to the document. All right, if you look at this instruction, it says you have to choose only one article. Whichever that attracts your attention, you guys are going to translate the article, and you guys can read and choose the article for your oral test. And then you have to be prepared with the questions that could come up for the article. You will be called one by one according to the list of names and times that will be given in the WhatsApp group in week 11. Okay, I'll share with you the name list and your time slot. And during your session, you will read the article loudly. I mean, as long as I hear you, and answer my question. Then you may leave the class after the lecturer allows you to. All right. So basically, you guys are going to spend around maybe 10 minutes for you to read the article and then answer my questions. Okay. So the questions are going to be related to your article that you have chosen. Okay. So if you look at here, we have text 1, text 2, and text 3. Okay, so you can just choose any text that you like. The first text is about Salman, the second text is about Khadija, and the third text is about Windy. So which one has the easiest pronunciation for you, has the easiest words for you, you can choose that and translate that and practice to read that. Okay, so that's basically it. I hope that you guys can watch my second video on how to read the article, okay, and then how to pronounce each word in every single text. But then I'm going to share with you some of the questions that might come up for the article. Okay, remember, for your oral test you have two sessions, right? The first one is for you to read the article, and the second part is for you to answer my questions, which the questions are going to be related to the article. Okay, I am going to share with you. Okay, this is a private document, but because I think that this might help you, I am going to share with you the questions in this video only. I'm not going to upload this document because this is my own document, all right, which is kind of a secret, but I'm sharing this with you. So let's have a look on these kind of questions. I don't mind if you screenshot, or maybe if you do some revisions by watching this video, but these are the questions that I'm going to ask. Okay, but be prepared for any kind of questions that might be a little bit different, but I promise you it's not going to be that difficult. Okay, you guys can answer the questions. So for the first text, these are the questions that are going to be asked. Maybe I would choose 3 or 2, 5 questions, or maybe I would choose 6 questions, depending on your luck. All right, and then this is the questions for the second text and the questions for the last text. but you just have to choose one, right? So if you have chosen, for example, you have chosen the first text to read on your oral test, then you guys are going to get these kind of questions. Okay, if you look at the keywords, for example, the first question we have siapakah nama kawan baik Salman? Nama kawan baik. The thing is, I would like to encourage you to answer my question in a full sentence. So the question asks, who is Salman's best friend's name? So you are going to say, nama kawan baiknya ialah Wang Li, which is Salman's best friend's name is Wang Li. So I need you to answer my question in full sentence. If you don't know how to answer, as long as you get a keyword, you will already get your own mark. Okay, so you don't have to worry so much. So that's basically it. So I hope that you will get ready with an article by week 11 so that you can try to practice the pronunciation and the comprehension questions in week 12. Okay, so see you for the oral test in week 12 and see you for these upcoming 2 weeks for another lessons of Malay course. All right, so that's it. Bye bye, everyone.